On to first alert weather. They did issue a first alert for today. Let's get Jeff Ray in the picture here because we got some stuff going on right now. Jeff?
Yeah, we have a thunderstorm warning now for Dallas County. That cell I was telling you about that was over by the airport producing hail and some strong winds. But I think the bigger threat in the moment is the hail. Again, this is the one cell that is ahead of the front. So it's the strongest thunderstorm going right now. And this warning goes till 5 p.m. So the towns in the way here, Carrollton, Capel, Farmers Branch, and Irving. You're wanting shelter with this severe weather comes over because of the hail threat. And of course, there's a lot of lightning with this as well. That's the front. So when the front moves past you, the severe weather threat is gone. But the severe weather threat is only right now confined to northern Dallas County because of the strength of this particular cell. Look at all the lightning with it over by the airport. So it's slowing air traffic coming in and out of the airport. And it's headed over towards Love Field. It's going to be in University Park here. Richardson's already getting the start of the heavy rain, which is in Capel right now, heading into Addison. So we'll keep you posted on that. There's some thunderstorm activity going on here across the afternoon. That's why we put a weather alert out. We got temperatures on the warm side, 69 degrees. We actually got into the mid 70s, but because of the rain, the temperatures have cooled down, and they're going to be cooling down into the 50s actually by the time we get later this evening because a cold front's coming through, and that's going to bring a north wind. You can see how temperatures are in the 60s behind it. So we have this marginal risk of severe weather. Let me show you how it plays out the rest of the evening. Here comes the cold front marching across the rest of the Metroplex and taking the storms with it. We'll have a few showers maybe behind it for a few hours across the evening. Then we just go to cloudy skies, a little bit of drizzle in the morning hours as well. And for your Tuesday, it looks like it's going to be mostly dry. We're only putting in a 20% chance of rain. But we certainly have a better chance of rain with the next front that's coming through, because that one is going to be coming through as we get into the afternoon and to the morning hours on Wednesday. And I don't know why, but suddenly my computer has decided not to cooperate. So I'm going to walk over here and see what I can move forward here. I wanted to show you what's ahead because we have another severe weather chance, or at least strong thunderstorms in the forecast as we get into the morning commute on Wednesday. So let's get to that. Our weather alert out again is for Wednesday morning with these thunderstorms. And as we take a look at the 7-day forecast, that's a day we're only at 55 degrees. That's the other front. So how this looks is that we get some thunderstorms coming in the morning, they clear out in the afternoon, and then we can all relax because it's going to be nice dry weather, a little bit on the cool side as we go into the weekend.
Yeah, boy, look at those 50s.
Yeah, look at that. That looks really good. Jeff, thanks so much.